So I'm gonna plop that in water. Just plop it in water and see how it will do. Just let it sit there a couple weeks.
4 to 6 days later. To 6 weeks later.
So my money tree, this propagation, I've had it in water for about 2 months now, and it finally gave me some roots. Look at that. Some big roots. Looks really nice. Finally ready to be transferred to soil, so I will be doing that. It has like this white stuff. That means is that it's ready to root. Little things you'll see on the trunk. Those are like calluses, and that means that roots are ready to start growing. As you can see, a lot of roots have grown. Look at that. I wasn't even sure that it would actually propagate. I was just trying it, and as always, plants surprised me. Look at that. Beautiful. So let's pot it up. Baby money tree.
Several months later.
Hi, welcome back everyone. I'm Steven from Steve's Propagation channel, and today I will be giving you guys an update on my money tree propagation that I repotted. I think it was like 4 months ago. Look at that. It sprouted a bunch of new leaves, at least 3 more leaves right there. Look at that. It's growing some new sprouts. It's on the up and up. It's looking really good. The trunk is starting to look a little bit less green, more brown. You see that? So that's pretty cool. And it's looking really pretty. Now, I have been away for a while, basically past few months. I recently got married, so that's new. And I haven't really had a whole lot of time to work on the channel. But hopefully, I can now get back to my regular schedule and start posting again at least 1 video per week. If life isn't too hectic, I'll be able to meet my schedule and be able to give you guys a new video every week. So that's what I'm striving for. Today I will be finishing up with this money tree propagation. I've been working on it for about 5 months now.
5 months later.
When I did my pruning video for my money tree back here, you can see that it's pretty big. It's gotten really big since then, and the little babies have not disappointed either. I just love money trees. They're such a beautiful plant. They just add so much aesthetic and like an artistic feel, but very tropical vibes. I love this plant. It's a really cool plant. Also, they are very easy to care for, and they will grow really fast. It's known for bringing good fortune or good luck. You can propagate them. You can give them to people as gifts, to friends or family, or you can just spread them around your house or apartment and make your jungle bigger. Like what I'm doing, basically just adding to my jungle. Running out of space, guys, but I love plants, so I can't help myself. unfortunately. I will be working on the two propagations that I have that are ready, more than ready to be potted up. As you can see, look at that. Those roots are crazy. It's grown a lot. All those roots. Crazy. Look at that. It's kind of nasty. That is wild. It's actually two of them. That is about 3 months worth of growth. This one's just a little cutting, and still look at that. All those roots has all these calluses that I'm gonna rinse off because I don't know, they kind of gross me out. What the hell is that? Look at that. It's like whatever. But yeah, I'm just gonna rinse them off real quick. Be right back. Alright, that's better. So you just rinse those off and look at that. Some of the leaves are already starting to yellow, like that one right there, that right there. Honestly, it's because I've been neglecting these propagations. I haven't been taking the best of care as I should have, but my trees are really resilient plants and really easy to propagate. Even when you neglect them, they will still propagate as long as they're in water. Change the water out at least every couple weeks, not even that often, and they will still propagate successfully. Make a little opening for it. I just want to add those to the same pot. Then I'm going to try to wrap them together with some zip ties. Basically get like that usual crafting you'll see in money tree plants, so they'll have like that tangled tree trunk. Instead of planting them these separately, I will just congregate all the propagations in one same pot and then tangle them together. So you see that little opening there, deep enough that you can put the roots, get all the roots in there. We got two now, one more to go. I need my zip ties to bring it all together. Once I tie them up, I will add some more soil. First time I've done this, I'm excited. It's like an art project. Look at that. Just tie it like that. Tie them all together. Make sure you water it well because they've been in water for a long time, especially in this case. So make sure you keep the soil very moist for them to acclimate. Look at that beautiful money tree. Beautiful, beautiful money tree.
I love it.
That's awesome.
But wait! There's more!
And I also have this little lipstick propagation, just a leaf, and look at that. It has like huge roots. Look at all those roots. Isn't that wild? So I'm going to be adding this to my lipstick plant. I'm going to be adding basically more foliage to this lipstick plant that I already propagated here in the channel. Look at my lipstick plant now. Beautiful. It's grown like crazy too in the past few months since I did that video, how to bring your plant back from the dead. Go check it out if you haven't. Just dig a little hole with your finger, stick in the propagation, and let the roots take hold. Do that thing. Another thing, my lipstick plant's been flowering. This flower came from my lipstick plant, already fell off, but they're so beautiful. And I have some other ones on this side too. If you want to see, look at those beautiful lipstick plant flowers. All right, now time to focus. Let's get to it. so beautiful. I love it. And there we go. Can you even tell where I put it? It's right there. That one right in the middle. Well, that's all I got for you today, guys. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like this video, comment, share, do all that good stuff. You know what to do. If you have any tips or comments you'd like to share, make sure to leave them down in the comments. I want to thank everyone that subscribes to this channel and watches these videos. I really enjoy making them, and I really enjoy the whole process and just being with plants and editing and all this stuff. So it's really cool. I really appreciate everyone that subscribes and everyone that watches. It obviously make me want to put out more content and really motivate me. So I guess that's all I have for today. Thanks for joining me. See you next time.